Guys, today I'm going to take apart a Glenfield Model 25, also known as a Marlin long rifle. I looked for a video of this a while ago and I couldn't find it, so once I figured out how to do it, I figured I'd post it for you guys. This is not a typical Glenfield. I had actually dyed the stock with wood dye, black, put a little variable zoom scope and a bipod. It's perfect for target practice, but in order to take this apart for cleaning purposes, just remove the magazine down here, and you'll see two flathead screws on the trigger guard. So what you want to do is just remove those. Pull your trigger guard off, it comes right off. This is a really easy stock to work with because it's just wood. Next thing you'll see on the bottom, in the where the magazine goes, there'll be a larger flathead screw towards the trigger and a smaller towards the top. The larger screw is what actually releases the whole bolt mechanism and barrel, and so you can take it apart to clean it. So I take off the smaller screw first. And we're going to go ahead with the larger screw. You don't actually have to remove this one all the way. Just enough to release. Actually, I'll go ahead and take it all the way out. Once you pull it all the way, it doesn't actually fall out. There's a little ball that keeps it in there. And once you have those two removed, you spin this around for you. I'm going to take this bipod off. And it just pulls out nice and easy, just like that. Be careful not to drop stuff on the floor here. And then it just makes it much easier to clean. You can get your brushes and things and powder solvent in here where you need to clean a little more so than if you were to have left this on the gun. But that's pretty much it. And then obviously replacing it, just do that. It's the same thing I just told you in the reverse order. And if anybody wants to dye their stock also, you just have to remove the butt plate with two flathead screwdrivers there as well. It actually came out pretty decently with some black wood dye. So just put it back. Just repeat the procedure. Just make sure the screws are snug. You don't need to over tighten since you're just screwing into a wood stock. And then your trigger guard, make sure you put that on the right direction. The longer portion goes towards the front. Tricky.